How to enable verification codes by SMS, and this is on your Google Pixel phone with Android 16. In order to enable this feature, you will need to be signed into your Google account as it is a Google service feature. So just go into the quick access if you're new to all this, tap on the settings on your Pixel phone here. Then for most Pixel phones, if you have Android 16 as the latest update, you'll go to where it says Google Services. So once you go here, you'll see your email here, which I have nothing to worry about because that's just a backup account. And you want to go to where it says all services right there. Now within the all services area here, you are going to scroll down through all these services here. And you're going to look for verification codes by SMS. And as you reach here, for some of you, you might be wondering, what is this feature and what does it do? So let's just say you are filling out something on a website and it requires your phone number to send you some sort of code, and you get the code to verify it's you. Or maybe you're trying to sign into a app or some sort of account and it needs a phone number to send you a SMS message with that code to verify it's you. So it does just that. And with these turned on, basically you will get the code, and instead of going back and forth, the code will show up in your messages. And once you view the messages, it will automatically copy just that code and fill it into where it needs to be filled in, instead of you having to type it in, which is the autofill codes option. So make sure these two are on, and that's it. Now, if you don't want this happening, then just turn these off and you are good to go. And you can turn it on at any given time, like and sub.